The importance of teamwork and unity in nature. In the heart of a lush, green forest, animals live in harmony, each playing their part in maintaining the balance of nature. The trees stretch high into the sky, their leaves rustling in the breeze. The sun peeks through the branches, casting a warm glow over the land. One day, a loud rumble shakes the ground. The peaceful forest is disturbed by a huge storm on the horizon. The animals grow anxious, sensing that danger is coming. In the midst of the storm, the animals realize they must work together to protect their home. A wise old owl, who has seen many seasons pass, calls for a meeting. The owl speaks of a plan. We must work together, using our unique skills to protect the forest. The birds will scout, the beavers will build, the squirrels will gather supplies, and the rabbits will warn the others. Together, we can face any storm. As the storm approaches, the animals spring into action. The birds fly high, scouting the skies. The beavers work quickly to reinforce the dam, while the squirrels gather materials for shelter. The rabbits run to warn others, ensuring that all animals are safe. The storm hits with full force, but the animals are ready. The beaver dam holds strong, the shelters stand firm, and the forest animals find safety and warmth. Though the winds howl and rain pours down, the animals stand together, knowing they are safe in each other's care. As the storm finally passes, the forest begins to calm. The sun breaks through the clouds once again, casting a soft golden light over the damp forest. The animals emerge from their shelters, smiling with relief. They have learned that by working together, they can overcome anything. The forest animals gather once more, and the wise owl speaks again. Together, we are strong. The storm may have tested us, but our unity kept us safe. Always remember, when we work as one, we are unstoppable. From that day forward, the animals of the forest continue to work together, building a stronger, more united community. And the wise owl watches over them, knowing that their bond will keep them safe for generations to come. The moral of the story is clear. Unity is strength. When we come together, we can overcome any challenge.